Okay, so not much to it. They're not going to give you any wiring directions. I think if you get an entire kit, they'll give you light wiring directions on how to wire everything up. But they're not going to, they can't tell you everything. You know what I mean? And so that's it. They only said about wiring, about it's low voltage, it's LEDs. The main wire shouldn't be more than 6 inches underneath the ground. So when I get done, obviously I'm going to dig this under the ground 2 or 3 inches. Okay, I've got it exposed right now. It was initially under the ground before I started working in this entire area. Okay, and so when I get done with figuring out where the lights go, digging and putting everything, then I'll go back and dig all the wires down. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and put one of these together now.